What is going on YouTube, man? Welcome back to the channel. If I sound kind of weird, I am under the weather right now. Yeah, so yesterday your boy went to go record the installation of the turbo inlet for you guys, right? After everything was recorded, I realized I messed up. Some of the footage got corrupt, so that video is basically trash. You know what I'm saying? Now I do apologize because I wanted to show that video, but unfortunately I can't. Turbo inlet is already installed on the car. I'm sad I didn't get it on video, but we're gonna do a little POV after the installation of the turbo inlet. Now, driving it home yesterday, there was a big difference. I feel the big difference. Now, studies show, this is on YouTube, studies show, my research showed that the car should be making anywhere between 5 to 10 more horsepower on the car. That's what the studies show. So to me, I feel the big difference. There's literally a big difference when driving the car in sport mode. The car kicks up a little bit more, better airflow in there. I do have an intake also. If y'all want to see the intake video, it's the last video I posted, I believe. But for the most part, the car is doing good. We're, I say, 2 steps closer to getting a retune on the car. I just did the transmission fluid. I gotta do the Heldex fluid next. And then we're gonna worry about retuning after that. I want to get the intercooler piping. I might go CTS for the intercooler. I want to keep mostly everything CTS. I have a CTS downpipe, CTS turbo inlet, and I'm gonna look at it as CTS intercooler. So I might just keep most of that part CTS, but for the most part, the car is treating me good. I love the car. I have no regrets about this car. I tell y'all this every time. I love this car to the max. This car is literally my baby. So let's start her up, man, and let's head to the gym with this PO. All right, y'all. I let the car warmed up for a bit. It is wet outside. I don't want to push it too much. It is chilly also. The car ain't really up to temps yet, so I'm not gonna go too crazy, but I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit more while driving. Everything circulate properly in comfort mode before I switch over to dynamic and probably get small little pulls and so forth. But for the most part, bro, let's put seatbelt on safety first. I got a bad habit of driving without it. I need to cut it out. But for the most part, I don't be having my seatbelt on, man. So let's go. But like I said, man, in the previous clip, I'm gonna try to keep everything CTS. You feel me? I mean, why not? You feel me? If everything damn near in the car is CTS, might as well just keep it CTS. So, but the car haven't been giving me no problems. The regular maintenance I've been doing. Definitely gonna change the spark plugs for some cooler spark plugs, racing plugs. So yeah, man, ain't really got much going on. I was looking at wheels, so I decided not even to go silver wheels no more. Yeah, I know it's crazy because these black wheels grab my attention. I'm looking at 2 wheels right now. I'm looking at Tiger Sport wheels, which is TSW. And I'm also looking at this brand called Curva. I seen 2 wheels that actually caught my attention, weight and the specs I'm going for. And it's like, I told myself I do not want black wheels, but legit, these wheels match everything I'm looking for. And I kind of like how they look. God damn, I kind of like how they look. So I'm gonna scrap out the chrome wheels or silver wheels on the car, and I'm gonna go gray and black. I ain't want to, but hey, man, they match everything I'm looking for, so might as well. I'm gonna switch over to dynamic, see if we can get some better clips out of this. There we go. And she still sounds lovely. Man, listen, this car, I gotta be fighting my demons not to go in dynamic mode while driving regular, bro. it's so tempting to just go in dynamic mode and rip it all around. The car sounds so good. I love this car. There's nothing more to say. I just love this car, bro. The way it sounds, the way it feels, the way it drives, bro. I'm literally fighting myself to not rip it every goddamn day just to save gas, bro. Like, you guys don't even know. I can never get tired of this. Oh my God, I can never get tired of this, man. It is crazy because the other day I literally tried to get y'all some in-cabin clips of the intake, bro, and the car is so loud I couldn't even get the clips. Like, I don't know if you can hear it right now, but when I tried to, I could not get any whoosh sound for y'all, bro. The car is just too damn loud. In-cabin noise with the exhaust setup is literally too loud, bro. So I had to scrap that whole video out, and this is what we had today. I know my brakes hate me, bro. Oh, wait, babe, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, babe. Is it open? Hopefully it is.
I just like the sound.